adds 2 H's and an O to the different monomers, and it breaks them apart. So that is a catabolic reaction. So you can probably see a cat walking around in the background. She's not really in a lab. She's actually on a green screen at the moment. What are you doing? I think she's trying to get into the cupboard or get underneath the green sheet. Ah, she'll work it out. Okay, so where was I? Yes, so hydrolysis reactions are the main category of catabolic enzymes. So the main category is catabolic enzymes, hydrolytic enzymes that perform hydrolysis. Get off there. Kind of looks like she's on a desk there, doesn't it? It's amazing what you can do with Zoom. Oh, and now she's going to go invisible. She's going behind the green screen. That's actually quite fun. Okay. My partner, she actually walked past the screen once when I was on the screen, and she got a green dress on, and all you saw is her head floating past. It was quite fun. Okay, so